We're here in Dunamagan in Kilkenny. It's a rural community, small village here in Kilkenny. It's made up of 3 villages actually, Dunamagan, Comhghairdeas and Kells, and we all come together under the parish of Dunamagan. Our club is 8 years old. I'm a founding member and my role is Coaching and Development Officer, and a few years ago I also took on the role of PRO. Like many volunteers in the LGFA, people take on a few different things. Also, I coach a lot in the club, so that would be my first passion really, is coaching. I'd help out with the county as well. I'm the county PRO for the past 5 years, and this year I'm going to be co-manager of the under-14 squad. So I'm looking forward to getting stuck into that too. Before this club was set up, there wasn't a team sport for the ladies here to play. Traditionally, and still to this day, the girls play camogie with other parishes, so they never got to, imagine, wear the jersey of Dunamagan. They were supporting their husbands, their sons, their brothers all the time, and happily supporting, but 9 years ago they got the opportunity to actually wear the jersey themselves, and they have been coming in their droves ever since. Now we have more members than the hurling club, and we're the largest ladies Gaelic football club in Kilkenny. The Gaelic for Mothers is another amazing initiative run by the LGFA, and we implemented that straight away here in the club. I remember the first training session, and over 40 women turned up for that first training session back in 2015, and it was just unbelievable. The fun and the crack was just great throughout the whole session. It's for your fitness, fun, your social side of things, and just to get away and to just be with another group of like-minded women for an hour a week. The LGFA for me has always given me an opportunity to connect with people no matter where I've been in life, and that's been just so important to me. And when I set up this club originally with the other founding members, my first thought was my daughter Colleen. She was 4. This club gave her the opportunity to get to know so many people, and she has lifelong friends through that now. She's in secondary, she has the connection with those girls still, and had no fear going to secondary because of that. It's just so special for the girls of the area to now have that connection together, and they'll always have that connection. A place that will welcome them, accept them, and they'll feel like they really have a right to belong there.
Búteoir Gradam Felnaman ó Uachtaráin gan de Elena Byrne.